gonna make or we just made a target for the little spring action BB guns, the little cheapy toy ones. So what we did is I took an old Priority mailbox, a used one, just so the post office doesn't think you're stealing. And what I did is I took one of these pudding cups. You could use any pudding cup. You make these any shape you want. I colored this in black just to make it disappear a little bit. And these, spring back when the BB hits them. You don't want to use a real BB gun because you'll blaze through this and make a mess. This is so you can do this in your house. So, what I did is I took the bottom tab and I put some double-sided tape on it, and I put some clips on there temporarily because it wasn't holding on its own, so I have a bad piece of double-sided tape, I think. But that, hopefully, the BBs will hit and fall down there and not roll out, is what the purpose of that. And if I would have moved these other targets up a little bit, then that could have stood up and been okay, but it was in the way because I put them kind of low. And then the top, I wasn't sure if I was going to make this look like a roof and cut this at an angle because I drew in the lines, or bend those back to kind of hold the top up, because otherwise it wants to fall forward sometimes. Everything wants to fall forward mostly. So there you go. You got the biggest square Priority mailbox. And you could use a grocery store box or anything you get for free or whatever. And it'll be fun.